Hi, I'm Master Lukey, and I'm gonna make a iced fizzy. This is like if you're into natural healing and stuff. Baking soda promotes healthy intestinal flora. In this cup, my juice glass, I already did a fizzy, and I was like, you know what? People should learn about this. Number one thing that you can do, easy, with just ingredients that you already have. So there's the ice, right? And then we put baking soda on top of the ice. It's about a quarter to a third, maybe even a half teaspoon if you're a big boy. And in this, you have a mixture of lemon juice, and then whatever carrier, could be water, could be juice, could be tea. I have honey and water and reishi. So because this is warm, it's probably going to fizz up a little bit. If this was cold, it wouldn't fizz up as much, and you would just get that effervescent taste in the back of your tongue. So to your health, over ice. And I'll come in for the close-up so you can see the fizzy, the bubbles. Salud. Bonus points if you can belch. You have to stay tuned for that. And message me with any health-related questions that you want. If you want the natural method, no drugs, no surgery, fully certified. Master Lukey. Over and out.